I bought a new reel. The old one that I bought from 100 yen shop cannot handle the giant fish. Also, I bought 4 connected fugu hooks. This one is fugu hook for bait. This is a connector. It uses to connect hook and weight. This is the weight. Without this, it's hard to make the hooks drowning. I also bought 20 grams of ragworm for bait. It's time to set up the fishing rod and the hooks. These hooks have installed line, so we only need to connect the line from the reel to it. For beginner, it's pretty easy to set up because we don't have to tie the hooks and the line by ourselves. It's already in package. I always disassemble my fishing rod and reel to make space for storage. So every time I want to use it, I will assemble them again. The weight for fishing has several sizes. We have to adjust it with the line, rod and reel strength. Bad adjustment will break something. It can be the line, rod or reel. After set up them, I checked the strength and the connection. I thought this hook wasn't strong enough to handle the giant fish. I always only got its scale. You can see here the scale size is like human adult big toenail. These 4 connected hooks were always messed up, so I tidied them up very often. I lost my hooks. I thought it was because I let the hooks drowning to the bottom of the river and it was stuck. Next, I used fugu hook with bait. It has 3 connected hooks with spare fishing float. It was my first time using ragworm as bait. It's kinda uncomfortable for me because it looks like a centipede. The result of fishing with the giant fish with bait was 0. They didn't need the ragworm at all. I didn't wanna lose. I tried to catch them with fishing net. Unfortunately, the fishing net wasn't big and not fast enough moving underwater. Actually, it was a net for catching butterfly from 100 yen shop. I decided to go home with empty hand again. I throw all my ragworms out to the river. Even so, there was no any fish eating the ragworms. I disassemble all my fishing stuff and put them in my bag. Okay guys, this second day was also failed, but I don't give up. I will come back again to defeat one of the giant fish. Please support me to win this battle. Don't forget to subscribe me so you will not miss the next video. Thank you for watching.